Hi, I'm Gilly Mendel and I will be showcasting in a short movie what's coming up in round 7512. You can download RAM for Jazz.net or check out our plans online for the specific enhancements and fixes that have been addressed in this release. The theme for 7512 is to improve usability as well as better serve DevOps use cases. For the DevOps use cases, RAM provides the ability to consume content with native clients. RAM already provides the ability for YAM and OSGI and Eclipse clients to connect to RAM as the install repo, and in 7512 we provide two more, Maven interfaces as well as NFS. So what does it mean to have NFS interfaces? Assume that the implementation for a web application, a service that is needed for it, and the definition for that service specification is published as a formal build lifecycle into the RAM repository. Servers that need to be installed with those services and applications can mount the application asset, giving that they have the credential to do so and access that asset to begin with. But in any case, when you mount that asset, the asset itself and its dependent content will be directly available from the file system. No need to download that asset. You can install these apps directly from the file system as they are mapped to RAM. RAM basically is a vanilla NFS server. No special code is required on the client machine. Similarly, with Maven support, RAM can serve these same artifacts if you are referring to it by a Maven POM for a project. Maven build can then consume these or publish build results to RAM using the Maven protocol. All you need to do is to configure the Maven configuration file to point to a RAM URL server. Okay, let me switch gear here and show you some usability goodies. First, we are using a new rich text editor widget, and it is significantly richer than the older one. You could even paste an image from the clipboard here, an image bitmap, and it will embed it as part of the description in the HTML source. So you don't always have to link your images from an artifact content. Another improvement is around the search. You could now click on the search action from the Assets Relationship area in the Detail page, and it will move you to the search page with a special filter set to that asset's related assets. You could now continue and filter further with text, facets, and tags as usual. In the facet area, you typically add filters that are available on these assets. These filters used to only work with an AND semantics, which meant that all of these categories are set for these result sets in these assets. But now you could change the filter actions to be either an all, any of them, or none of them. If I click on a filter as usual, I will add this filter to the all bucket. I could move then the filter around and let me go back a second. And if I add another filter to the none bucket, what I'm saying here is that show me all assets that are not in draft and that are either a design or in a review state. RAM is also based in 7512 on RTC version 4, which means that you could edit the workflow state diagram from the browser. There are many features out there, so go check them out and feel free to talk to us on Jazz.net forums or work on.